What's up, YouTube? So today we have a different kind of video planned, again with the Cummins turbo diesel featuring my brother. In this video we're gonna go over the top 5 things my brother dislikes about his diesel truck. Let's get to it. So you ready to get this video started?
Sure am.
Don't you think you should gave this thing a wash first? It's a little dirty here. All that wintertime salt. Supposed to get a big snowstorm tonight, so trying to get this video filmed early. So what's your number 5 most disliked thing about your truck?
These are not in order.
Not in order? The number 1 does not differ from number 5. This is just the top 5 things he dislikes about this truck. Shoot.
Good old chipped fender, whatever you want to call it.
I think that one's self-explanatory. I don't think anybody would like that. He is planning on getting the truck repainted at some point. You are sticking with black, right?
Negative, Nelly.
No, you're not. What color do you have planned, or is that a little secret?
It's a little secret.
Oh boy. That'll probably be in the very near or very far future. It's probably not sure yet. Or are you sure?
Talking 2 years.
2 years he plans to have his truck painted. We will see. So what's the second dislike you don't like about your truck?
Definitely the paint fade.
Paint fade?
Paint fade.
I'm also having that same problem on the roof of my Dakota. So another paint issue on the Cummins. I guess it kind of goes along with this, although this is chipped paint and that's faded paint, so I guess you can count that as 2. Okay, side question. Why do you have your stack turned sideways?
Bought a new quad over the weekend. Had to drive like 2 hours to pick it up, so I didn't want to burn the quad fenders.
Or get it all
Sooty.
sooty?
I turned it sideways.
Yeah, I'd probably do the same thing if I was him. Think we'll feature the quad in any videos here soon?
Sure.
Cool. So what's number 3 on the dislike list?
Well, this is about number 2.5 on the list, right here.
Why are you rating it as like a 2.5?
Because it sort of has to go with the paint deal, but so we got like peeling plastic on the top part.
So this is like a 2.5. This isn't his number 3 because it kind of goes with the paint issues at the front of the truck. He's got a peeling paint on his tailgate as well.
Plastic.
Okay, plastic, I guess, because that's not. Do you guys know what kind of spray-on material this is? Because it doesn't seem like paint. Drop it in the comments and let us know. All right, so now what's number 3 on your list?
Definitely be the chipped wheel wells from the wheel flares. As you can see right there.
So that's gonna be like engraved into the metal of the truck.
Was gonna take them off, so I have Stance Nation, but you know, can't do that. Makes it look like garbage.
So he was thinking about taking off the fender flares, but with Stance Nation, you know, you got to keep that. Whatever you call that. What do you call it?
With the Stance Nation, you have to keep the what?
Isn't it like you got to keep that flush angle? Well, you could.
Stance sticks out.
Oh. I thought you were trying to keep it flush.
Nah. I have to stick out.
Okay, so just going back, number 3 is that gouge in the metal here that was caused by his fender flares. Yep.
Yep.
All right. Is that Johnny Boy?
No.
Oh.
Hello.
Thought that was Johnny Boy calling. Got my hopes up. Probably listened to this video too. Heard his name.
Yep.
Yep. So I'm jumping off of his dislikes for a little bit, and I'm going to talk about my dislike on his truck, and that's his gas cap. Because normally you'd push in on that, and I guess it'd be like a little magnet in there, and it would swing out, but the mech's broke. So I mean, little flimsy there. But you gotta make sure you gotta get that fuel, because it's not gas, diesel fuel, right?
Yeah.
All right. So what's number 4 on your list?
So number 4, we'll do combine 2 things in here.
Jumping to the inside.
Between the torn seat and the radio that does not work.
So 4 is the torn seats, and 5 is he has no radio. And I'd probably add another bonus here. Every time he opens his driver door, you got the dinger, like the keys in the ignition, but it doesn't go off until he closes the door.
Yeah.
Probably wouldn't hurt getting that fixed as well. Maybe in a future video. Yeah?
Yeah. Wait, what are we talking about?
The dinging. Fixing that in a future video?
The dinging?
Yeah.
No.
What do you mean no? You don't want to fix that?
Doesn't bother me.
Teach their own, I guess.
Tried to fix the radio. You know, pulled the radio out and all the wires are cut behind there. So no bueno. Ain't touching it.
I guess he could just get like a little Bluetooth speaker and play it off his phone, right?
Yeah.
Is that Johnny Boy now? Call number 2. Is that Johnny?
Nah.
Aw.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so a little mix up on the count here. We're gonna combine dislikes number 4 and 5 from the interior and just count them as number 4, because my brother forgot one that is a pretty major one that he wants to include as his final dislike on his truck.
Come to this side. Let's go.
This side?
This side.
Let's go. Oh, you're walking all the way around. What is
Alright,
it?
so any of you second gen owners know the wonderful dashes they have. Looks like a normal dash until you sort of lift her on up.
Ooh. Oh wow. Yeah, that's a. I'd say that's a big dislike.
That's just extra storage.
So is that a big thing for second gen owners?
Yeah.
A lot of people have that issue.
Sure do.
Now, are you sure you don't want to continue that as number 4 and just list it as a bunch of problems with your interior? Because I can think of one more. All that sweat and horsepower on the front end.
Yeah.
So we'll leave you guys with the very final one. Is kind of like a combination of both of ours. I don't know if you guys can see that dark circle under there, but this thing leaks like a sieve sometimes.
That is not from a single day. That is from months of working here.
Probably pushing a year now.
Yeah.
A lot of leaky leaks we got to fix here soon. Maybe another video? Yeah?
Sure.
Sure?
No, we got more special stuff to do.
Special stuff.
Or things that need to be done more than a leaky leak.
You want to drop a little hint? Anything?
Yeah, whole front end got a rebuild kit.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Little hint for a future video there. Make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss out. Already messing up. Judging me a lot, right?
Yep.
I always get judged recording these videos. How long do you think it's going to take me to upload this one? I told him I'd have it up by the end of the weekend.
I think 2 weeks.
2 weeks? We'll see. I do go back to school this weekend, so it'll give me something to do in my free time if I get caught up in work or whatever. But anyways, that's going to do it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. A little bit shorter than normal, but I just wanted to film something this weekend before the weather turns crappy and get some more diesel content on the channel. I know you guys enjoy that. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to smash that thumbs up button and be sure to give us a big, nice subscribe if you guys enjoy the channel and the video. In an upcoming video here soon, we're gonna do the top 5 things my brother likes about this truck, so the opposite of this video. That's pretty much gonna conclude it. Anything else? No. So I'll leave you with the usual. Always accelerate and don't look back. Catch you guys on the next video.